Life is a miracle. Waking up every day is like hearing God say, "Start over, I am with you." Life is a gift that many ignore. Every heartbeat is a reminder that you still have time. But what do you do with that time? Complain or be thankful? God has given you another day, but it is up to you to decide how to live it. Will you continue sabotaging yourself, or will you finally believe in yourself? If He trusts you, why don't you trust Him too? Get up, fight, dream. You have a chance that many no longer have. Today is the day to honor the miracle of being alive. Life is a breath, but it is also a mission. God did not wake you up today by chance. There is a purpose in it. Don't let fear paralyze you. You were made to win. Believe me, those who walk with faith never walk alone. Life is a unique gift, and each day is a new opportunity to rewrite your story. The fact that you are here, now, is proof that God still has great plans for you. Don't waste time complaining or doubting yourself. Choose to believe, choose to live with purpose. The miracle of being alive is not just a privilege, it is a mission. Face challenges with courage, transform fears into steps of faith, and remember, you are never alone. With each new day, God gives you the chance to win another battle. So, get up, give thanks and move forward. Believe in the purpose that brought you here, because those who trust in God and in themselves always find the path to victory. Today is the day to live life to the fullest, honor your journey and let your light shine.